How many liters of oil does a Ford Transit 2.0 EcoBlue need? If we're talking about the Ford Transit 2.0 EcoBlue from the years 2016 to 2026, the oil capacity doesn't change much over the years, but rather depends on the type of drive and vehicle configuration. That's why, instead of breaking it down year by year, it makes more sense to look at it this way, version by version. The Transit 2.0 EcoBlue with front-wheel drive (FWD) usually requires around 9.1 liters of oil for a full change. This is one of the most common setups in many cargo and passenger versions. If we move on to the rear-wheel drive (RWD) versions, the capacity increases due to a different oil pan, reaching approximately 9.8 liters of oil. And in the AWD or 4x4 versions, the capacity is even higher, usually ranging between 10.3 and 11.5 liters, depending on the engine code and the specific year.